How to install WhatsApp in your laptop or PC. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how you can install WhatsApp in your laptop or PC. So simply for this process, you will have to open the Microsoft Store on your system. So it might be in your taskbar. So simply click it from here. So Microsoft Store, and simply you have to open the Microsoft Store. So after opening the Microsoft Store, you will have to type WhatsApp in the source field. Okay. Choose for the option where it's located in WhatsApp. So simply click here. And here you got the options to install WhatsApp on your system. So likewise, in your case, it might be Get. So I have already installed WhatsApp in my laptop. So I get the options to open. So all right, now here you can see that I have been logged into my WhatsApp account on my laptop. So likewise, you can also log into your WhatsApp account on your PC or laptop. So if this video was helpful to you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon over there for more short tech tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video.